Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today I'm just going to be speaking about something that I have loved using, especially if you're buying online, and more so if you're based out of the US, or if you're in India and you usually buy stuff from the US websites, just like I do to your friends. So let me take you right in. So what I'm going to be talking to you about today is Ebates. Now, Ebates.com is something that gives you cash back every time you purchase something online. I knew about Ebates from Desi Perkins or from Stephanie Nicole. These are actually a couple of my really favorite YouTubers, and they spoke about how you could actually combine Ebates with your Sephora's 20 or 25% discount during their biannual sale. So when I signed up for Ebates and I realized that I was buying for myself and also for gifts from people, and I realized not just from Sephora, Ulta Beauty, to so many different websites including Target and CVS, even drugstore brands and drugstore websites, you can actually buy from them online, and the cashback that you get is actually sizable in my opinion. I've got a lot in cashback because I have routinely bought from Sephora, from Ulta Beauty, also from Target and CVS, because these are the four websites that I have used. But when I have bought t-shirts for people that I know, for example from a website like say Old Navy or any other apparel website. So to cut a long story short, Ebates has a ginormous list of stores that you can buy from, either online or in store. So if you actually go in store and you forgot to mention, you can actually go back onto the Ebates website and then claim cash back for that particular day once you have finished your purchase. So this is it. I've had a great experience purchasing from websites and signing up with Ebates, and I would really urge you to do so. If you're actually based out of the US, you will get a lot of value from it. And there have been times that when combined with the Ebates cashback, and especially with Sephora, combined with the Sephora's discount and the Ebates cashback, I ended up saving about 35% in total. So that for me is pretty sizable, especially when we are Indians and converting into dollars, you see. So that is my small tip that I would give you if you're purchasing online. Sign up for Ebates. I'm going to be leaving the link down below, and I hope, of course, I'm not actually trying to sell too many capitalistic ideas about buy this and buy that, but if at all you buy, do sign up with Ebates. Of course, I gain nothing from this, let me also add. I just hope you gain the same stuff that I do, if that makes any sense. So until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye.